Today I'm making mini upside down pineapple cakes for a client we bought last time. We're going to go look at another property today. This is his favorite and he requested I would make them for him, so of course I did. Cakes at closing, but if you're my clients, I'll do anything for you. Let me show you how I make them. Okay, starting off with 1 stick of butter into our mixer. I want to let that go for a couple minutes so nice and creamy. Alright, butter's nice and creamy. I'm going to add in our sugar. Let it go again. Alright, once that's mixed in, we're going to add our eggs in one at a time. Alright, eggs are in there. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla. A little extra never hurt anybody. Sorry, I think I said tablespoons, teaspoons. It's in the descriptions, don't worry. This is going to be a mixture of your flour and baking powder. You do 1/3 of it. A little mix. This is a mixture of Greek yogurt, milk, and pineapple juice. I'm going to do half of this one. Another 1/3. Other half of this mixture. Last of your dries. Alright, now we got our batter all ready to go. Spoon of butter in each pan. Brown sugar. Maybe a teaspoon of that in too. Give or take. Or give more than I take. Silicone brush. Kind of mix the sugar and the butter together. I'm going to grab, I've had these sitting to the side, paper towels, letting them kind of drain off the juice. I take the pineapples, I pull a little piece off of it, and then it sits perfectly at the bottom, so it's nice and neat. Little cherries, also let them drain off a little bit with paper towels. All right, now we're going to take our little ice cream cake batter scooper, grab you some, throw it on top. Shimmy, shimmy. Preheated oven, 350. We'll put them in there for about 20 minutes. Check in about 15 minutes, and then just kind of watch it. Sorry guys, totally got busy doing other stuff and forgot to show you the flip out. So pulled it out. I did about 25 minutes. Pulled them out. Let them sit in this for about 10-15 minutes. Did the flip, and here's what you got: a little mini pineapple upside down cakes. So the recipe I give you is for 1 pineapple upside down cake. Just take it, put it in the mini pans, and it made about 10 of them. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends.